When it comes to team collaboration, the debate between Salesflare and Podio is common, but which one truly stands out for helping your team stay organized and work more efficiently? Stick around to find out which of these two platforms will serve your needs better, and make sure to stay till the end, because I'll also be sharing an alternative that might be the perfect solution for your team collaboration goals. Salesflare focuses on streamlining your sales process by automating tasks and providing a clean, intuitive CRM system. One of its biggest strengths is its automation. It automatically adds data to your contacts, tracks communication, and reminds your team of key follow-ups. However, when it comes to collaboration, Salesflare can feel a bit limited. It doesn't have robust features for team communication or task management, which can be crucial for collaboration. Next, we have Podio, which is highly customizable and offers a range of collaboration features like task management, team communication, and shared calendars. Podio allows teams to create custom workflows, manage projects, and even automate processes. However, this flexibility can also be a downside for some users. It takes time to set up, and the learning curve can be steep. So while Podio is great for teams that need a flexible solution, it might not be the easiest tool to get started with. Now, when it comes to the user interface, Salesflare shines in terms of simplicity. It's easy to use and get started with, and the design is clean, making it great for teams that want to get up and running quickly. But for all its simplicity, Salesflare lacks some advanced collaboration features that teams may need for larger, more complex projects. Podio, on the other hand, might overwhelm new users with its customization options and layout. But for teams that need more flexibility, Podio can be a powerful tool once it's properly configured. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Salesflare's pricing model can be a bit on the higher end, especially if you're looking for additional features. While it's more affordable for smaller teams, larger teams may quickly outgrow its offerings. Podio's pricing is also tiered, but because of its flexibility, you might end up paying for more than what you need if you're not careful with your setup. When it comes to integrations, Salesflare has strong connections with a wide variety of tools, especially for sales teams, but lacks some of the deep integrations Podio offers for project management tools. Podio wins here if your team needs to integrate a range of external applications and sync multiple workspaces. So, where do these tools stand for team collaboration? While Salesflare is perfect for sales teams looking for automation and simplicity, it lacks in some essential collaboration areas like project management and team communication. Podio offers more flexibility and customization, making it a better fit for teams needing a wide range of collaboration features, but it can be overwhelming for new users. That being said, after testing both of these platforms, I'd recommend trying a different solution if team collaboration is your main goal. There's a tool that offers the perfect balance of collaboration features without the learning curve, and it might just be the better alternative for your team. If you're ready to take your team collaboration to the next level, check out the link in the description below for a free trial of the best alternative I've found. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, once you try it, you'll see the difference.